Hello, in this video we are going to see an example of how we can run test having particular substring in its name. So there is a switch, command line switch, hyphen key, hyphen key, only that is used for only run tests like -k10 method. So only run test that matches the given substring expression, and expression is a Python resolvable expression where all names are substring matched. So let's open project, and this is the test file we have. So these are our test methods, and so let's say we want to run only the test methods that have package as in their test method name. So we will use -k or -key switch and then the substring. So here we supply package. So what nRoBo will do, nRoBo will run only the test which has this substring in its test method name. So this will only run this test because I think only this test method has the key package in its name. So this will only run only one test, although it will collect all the tests in the test directory, but will execute only test one having the package in its name. That is test nRoBo package is available on PyPy-org. So test is running, and browser instance it's running very slow. Maybe some updates are available in Mac. Okay, browser instance is created, and this is the first test that has started, and completed, and no other test has run. So that is what exactly -key switch is doing. So let's open the report, and here we can see only one test has run having the package key. Let's say this time use the key is equal to on. So we have 1, 2, 3 tests with on substring in its name. If I want to run only tests with Google keyword, so only 2 tests in this case will run by nRoBo. So let's run it. Oh, error. Why Google is a key? Oh, I missed this. Yeah, -key. I should have to use, or I can use -key, long name. So this time we run again, and this time 2 tests will run having which has Google as substring in its name. So tests are running, browser instance created, first test is running, and oh, both of the tests has run. Only one. Oh, we should run two tests. Oh, okay. Both has same name. That's why both has same name. So let's change a little bit in name. So by default, nRoBo doesn't run duplicate test, meaning having the same name uh, in multiple tests. So that's why it has run only one test. This time it will run two tests. So let's see. The test has started running. Browser instance created. First test is running, and second test will run now. So browser instance created. Second test is running now. And report is ready. Let's open, and two tests has run. You can see in the report. Thank you.